Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm gonna do a review about Hodlnaut. Basically what is this platform all about is a deposit interest account. Yeah, basically it's an interest account for you guys to deposit your funds. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course on the start we are gonna talk about the summary of what is this Hodlnaut about. Basically this platform is, as said, the easiest way to earn interest with your whatever cryptocurrency, mainly Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course some stable coin. So over here you can earn up to 10.5% APY annual per year with your crypto interest account from Hodlnaut. Deposit your crypto and start earning. Basically this is what they are doing is this deposit interest account. So we have seen like big names like Celsius, Nexo, and of course BlockFi doing the same things, and after that basically what they are doing is almost the same concept. So in this video I'm going to bring a review, and after that like explaining how the whole platform works in a nutshell. So over here you can see on the website itself there's a calculate your interest. So let's say you are going to deposit 0.1 Bitcoin and you're going to put it for 1 month. You will receive back this amount of Bitcoin, and of course the interest is 6.2% and the time period is 1 month. So the calculator is quite easy to understand. And of course over here they have 250 million in the set. Basically people have deposit 250 million with them, and after that there's around 5,000 active users. So I would say this company over here, it is still very small. I would say it's not as big as like Celsius or BlockFi, but definitely and of course surely is growing. And as you can see they have support 5 assets supported. And after that, how does it work? Very simple: deposit your crypto, and after that earn interest on your assets, and after that receive payouts, and then you can withdraw your funds anytime you want. And on the platform itself they also have a token swap. Basically what is this token swap about is basically on the platform itself you can like swap tokens. Like let's say you want to convert your Bitcoin into US Tether or whatsoever, you can do it, and vice versa. And over here you can take loans from them. So over here you need to deposit over 225 Bitcoin or equivalent to basically become their VIP, and of course get a loan. And of course this is what the customer they are saying, the customers that is with Hodlnaut, talking about them. So I'm not going to read it out, it's on the platform itself. So right now we are going to talk about the next topic. The next topic is about the news of Hodlnaut. So over here you can see it's posted by the welcome post. Over here you can see 14 days ago is published by a news article platform, basically for the founder of cryptocurrency high yield invest saving account Hodlnaut. The owner is Jin Tao, and after that had been always fascinated on how the financial system work. And after that blah blah blah, I'm not going to talk about all of this. I'm just going to talk about the main point: how do they make money. So over here you can see how are they different from similar players. So as I already mentioned, BlockFi, Celsius, and Nexo. And of course right now we have Hodlnaut, which is on the field of cryptocurrency, and they are almost the same. Basically what they are doing is exactly the same, I would say. And after that, comparing the rates itself, you can see that BlockFi is 6%, and after that overall on all the assets that's mentioned over here, Hodlnaut came at the highest interest rate. And of course I would say, yeah, they have increased their interest rate on stablecoin. And after that we can look at what is it. So as you can see on the year 2019 they are founded, and they have around 30k US dollar under their management. And after that 2020 it has grown by 100 times. Is it 30k to 3 million? Yes, around 100 times. And after that another 100 times. At 2021 they have around 300 million, and on their website itself is showing around 250. Yeah, 250. So over here you can see that they are regulated with the MAS. Yeah, has been published and talked about on the website itself. And basically how they earn money is very simple. What they're doing is similar to the bank. Basically the bank, you put in your fiat, your US dollar, your Singapore dollars with them, and from there they will take your money out, and after that they will loan to customer, or let's say investors who are willing to pay the interest rate, and after that need the money to like develop their businesses. And of course the bank charge a small percentage of the interest rate, maybe like 11 to 15% or even 20%, as high up to 30%, depending on what's the use case for, and of course the risk, and of course the collateral and stuff like this. Basically what they do is pay, let's say you want to take a loan from them, you just deposit like let's say 100 Bitcoin, and from there you can take a loan of value up to 25%. And of course if let's say the loan to value is lower, is higher, let's say 50%, you will pay more interest rate, and of course let's say it's 25%, you will pay a lesser interest rate, and of course you can take your loan from like 6 to around 6 months or onwards, and after that from there you just pay them accordingly. So you can see in the world of cryptocurrency, however, there's a leverage up to 100 times. So this is talking about the derivative trading platform, the leverage trading platform like the Bybit, and of course in this institute might have to borrow from companies like Hodlnaut. Basically they are like a liquidity provider in order to margin trade, and after that use 100 times leverage, in which they might gain or lose 100 times, blah blah blah. This is fueled by the demand of cryptocurrency to be used for collaterals, and after that we institution willing to pay up to like 20% on for cryptocurrency that they're going to loan, and after that on the back end Hodlnaut simply does is to lend this cryptocurrency out and share the premium back to the user. So over here we are providing liquidity for them to do their businesses, and after that from there, yeah, they make money, and after that at the end of the day everybody get paid. So it's quite far-fetched, I mean quite simple to understand. So the next topic we're going to talk about is Hodlanut Safe To Use. So over here if you scroll down all the way to the platform, on the website itself you can see this is a company that is developed in Singapore, and after that you can see this is the Singapore address, and after that this is their email address, and of course they are regulated with the MAS, so the Money Authority of Singapore requires them to provide whatever is this is just a regulation, they need to put it on the website. And once you see MAS is on the website itself, this platform I would say is quite safe to use. I'm not gonna say it's 100% safe, because like you never know what will happen to them, and of course they are secured by Fireblocks as their custodian to like store funds, and after that many stuff. So we are gonna look at the FAQ to find out more. So we here general. So the risk over here, where are your funds stored? They use BlockFire multi-party component wallet infrastructure to secure the funds. So basically they do not have and you want to talk about insurance, Hodlnaut users can get insured up to a cover of 44 millions on their funds through the Nexus Mutual Hodlnaut Custodian Cover Smart Contract at 2.6% premium. And after that over here you can see that they have insurance up to 44 million if let's say your funds get hacked or whatsoever. And after that over here, why should you trust? Basically on this over here is, to be honest, if they put this on the website, I'm just gonna tell you that why should you trust them, because you can put your money there and this is gonna generate you passive income. And to be honest, if you are scared of the risk, you just hold it on your cold wallet, or let's say your hot wallet, whatever keys that you have in your private keys, you can hold it there. And after you, let's say you hold one Bitcoin, after 2 years or after 5 years down the road, it's gonna be 1 Bitcoin. So why not like put some faith and trust onto like platform out there that is offering that they want your money. Basically you just put your money there and they credit you in like Bitcoin, Ethereum or whatsoever coin, and after that it will be basically growing your satoshis, and after that your Ethereum and stuff like this. And after that so this over here very concerning, because I already mentioned that what they do on their business is basically they loan people money, and after that, to be honest, how assured that they can, like if let's say the borrowers defaults on their loan, let's say they do not want to pay back or whatsoever, rest assured, because they have a collateral with them. So let's say if they're gonna borrow like 250k worth of US Tether, for example, they will first need to put a collateral of Bitcoin, or let's say other cryptocurrency that is supported as collateral. So maybe their 250k is a loan to value of 25%, so they will put in like maybe 1 million as collateral, and from there if let's say they default on their loans and after they do not pay up, basically they will just liquidate their assets, and from there they make a lot of money through the collateral, and after that from there they just distribute the funds accordingly. And of course and to be honest, if let's say a default happens, Hodlnaut will be taking on losses and paying the user from the equity funds, so rest assured. And of course they have a robust legal contract on place onto each borrowers, and after that it may take legal action to recover the funds if necessary. So over here we do not need to worry much, because they are the company and they are representing our money to basically if they get scam or whatsoever, or legal actions needed, we as a single individual, we can't really like take part in any of that stuff, because yeah, we are just too small because they are enterprise. They can do legal action, and after that stuff like this, they have terms and conditions written out. So over here you can see, is my crypto held in custodian or non-custodian wallet? When the user first deposit with Hodlnaut, they will receive through the Firebox wallet infrastructure on the back end, and after that Hodlnaut will assess the funds, either transfer to the self-custodian core wallet or on lend, or basically to lend to the borrower's wallet. So they they use hot wallet? At Hodlnaut, they have taken security first approach. Basically, they do not have any hot wallets. Basically, whatever funds you are sending is towards a custodian wallet, if not a core wallet. Basically, what's a core wallet? It's a hardware wallet, and I would say it is very secure. And after that, we are going to talk about the next topic. So the next topic over here is we are going to talk about what is the currency, what's the assets that is supported by Hodlnaut, and after that the percentage. So on the backend itself, I'm going to show it to you. So over here you can see they support Bitcoin, US Tether, USDC, Ethereum, and DAI. As basically the DAI, USDC, and US Tether, it is stablecoin, and the rates that they are offering, you can see the APR is annual percentage rate, and after that APY is annual percentage yield. And what is the difference? Very simple, they put it clearly to you. So over here, annual percentage yield, APY, taken into account compound interest, and after that annual percentage rate is basically just a rate, and it does not account compounding. So you can earn as high as up to 10.5% on stablecoin, and for Ethereum 6.7%. And to be honest, comparing all the rates out there, I would say that Hodlnaut is offering much more higher percentage than BlockFi, Celsius, and of course definitely Nexo. And of course on Bitcoin itself, they are just giving you the flat rate of 6%, and you can earn as high as 6.2%. And I would say that why not just put your money here? I would say that not financial advice, but just my own opinion. Honestly, that the rates is higher, and you can see I put in some money and I'm waiting. And the next topic, we are going to talk about it. So over here we are going to talk about the backend walkthrough. So once you let's say you do not have an account or whatsoever, you can use my referral link down below. It helps the channel out, and of course you can refer your friends and family. And of course, upon using the referral link, you will receive $20 in whatever cryptocurrency you deposit. So let's say if you deposit $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, you'll receive $20 in Bitcoin on the next payout, basically after 7 days. And after that, this goes for your friends as well. So right now they are offering a deposit like bonus. Basically, you need to deposit more than $1,000 to get this $20 free crypto. And after that, the rates, the rewards is depending on which currency you deposit. So let's say if you deposit in Ethereum, you'll receive $20 in Ethereum and stablecoin, so on and so forth. So this is the terms: deposit 1,000 upon there's no time limit when you are going to deposit, so you can create an account, and after that submit your KYC, and once you get approval, you can send in funds. And after that, you will need to only deposit like the first time. The first deposit has to be more than $1,000 in order to get eligible for this $20 in free whatever crypto that you deposit. So the back end walkthrough is, once you create an account, you will not be able to see all this information because you will need to submit your KYC. And once your KYC is approved, you will see the back end as what I'm seeing. So over here, the thing that you want to do is, after it's being approved, so the first thing you want to do is just head over here, click on the assets that you want to deposit, and after that, from there, copy the address and send in funds. And of course, deposit will be credited after 6 network confirmation, so on and so forth. So over here on DAI, and yeah, whatever it is. And after that, over here you can withdraw your funds as well. So you can put the recipient name and after that your address, and once it's done, you can just withdraw. And after that, the withdrawal fee is 0.0004. I would say it's slightly lower than some of other platforms out there, but of course Celsius is offering free withdrawals, to be honest, which they can, because it's just their company. And after that, over here you can look at the statement. So once you click on it, this is the statement ranging. Yeah, basically it is like how much you have earned in total and stuff like this. And after that, for the affiliate, is very simple. You can get a 20% which I've already said previously, and of course you can earn 10% commission. So for token swap over here, what is this token swap all about? It's basically, let's say you want to convert your cryptocurrency. Let's say you want to sell off your Bitcoin, you can just put in 0.01. for example, and it's gonna quote you in US dollar or USDC depending on which coin you want to receive. So over here it's gonna tell you, and after that you can swap your tokens, and all the token swap are totally free. And let's say if you because on a deposit interest account, normally what you do is you want to put your funds in for as long as possible, and that's why if you want to do a withdrawal, it's gonna take time. So let's say if tomorrow Bitcoin just spike up by, let's say, 50% or even 100% suddenly, and after that you do not want to like waste your time by withdrawing withdrawing out to the platform onto an exchange, which you can do like limit orders or whatsoever. So let's say if there's a panic attack during on cryptocurrency, let's say Bitcoin or whatsoever, spike or dip, you can just straight away liquidate your assets into another on the platform itself. So this is a very must-have feature on the platform. So to be honest, right now, the competitor out there, BlockFi, they have this option. Celsius, they do not have this option, but then Celsius withdrawal fees are like free. But of course, you still have to take account of the network confirmation. So let's say you're gonna do a withdrawal on Celsius, it's gonna take like, if on Bitcoin, maybe it's gonna take 15 minutes for them to approve your withdrawals, and after that from there you still have to wait for at least two to three confirmation on the blockchain in order to get your funds ready on the exchange, and from there you can liquidate your assets. But on Hodlnaut itself, you can just do it by using this option over here. So honestly, we're gonna move on to the next topic, which is my own personal opinion on Hodlnaut, and after that, what is it? Opinion on Hodlnaut. So very simple. I would say that why to be honest, I heard about this platform previously, and because of the lack of confidence, I would say, I heard about the company, but because of the user base, it is quite small and it's not growing as big as like Celsius and BlockFi. Because to be honest, we humans, that if you're gonna invest in something, definitely you have to see some track record first, and after that, from there you will be more confident in putting your funds. And to be honest, once I saw the platform and did not really go and review the platform, but I just look at the rates, and after that, this over here, I did not really like, hey, this is a good platform, and put all my money in. But to be honest, I was approached by their manager to ask, basically to do a review on the platform. And to be honest, I'm doing the review right now, and I'm not getting paid or whatsoever. It's just me bringing opportunities to you, my viewers, if you guys are interested. So over here, my own opinion is, first I scroll down all the way to the website, and I saw this over here. It has really boosted my confidence by a lot, to be honest, because this over here is regulated. And after that, over here, this is a Singapore founded company, and to be honest, I'm a Singaporean, and of course I would love to support local people that is trying to do create cryptocurrency stuff in Singapore, to be honest. And after that, over here, they are registered in Singapore, and my own opinion is, yes, I might be biased on like Singapore created tech or whatsoever, but basically I understand how does a deposit interest account work, and after that, I've already done my research throughout the years, and I've interacted with other deposit interest account platforms out there. And to be honest, Hodlnaut, it is almost doing the same thing, just that the rates that they're offering is much more attractive than the others, and I would say that why not. And of course, we can look at the fees. So on the fees itself, they have a withdrawal fees of this amount, which is, I would say, reasonable. Why? Because the network on Ethereum itself, it is freaking high, and of course Bitcoin as well. So the withdrawal fee that they charge is not benefiting them in any ways, because to be honest, $18 per transaction, and they have to convert their Ethereum. They have to use Ethereum to fill the transaction, and after that, they just give a rough estimate of $18. And to be honest, if let's say the transaction costs more than $18, they will lose out. To be honest, they are paying additional for you, and they do not like ask you to pay them back or whatsoever. And of course, for the vice versa, if let's say the transaction is less than $18, basically they can keep the difference. But to be honest, I would say that this more money doesn't matter, because if you put in the funds there, they are just going to generate you more money. And of course, to be honest, I will be more than happy to put in my funds. So we are going to talk about the next thing. Will I be placing more funds into Hodlnaut? So honestly, over here on my account itself, I have deposited like 0.05, which is equivalent to around 2,000 US dollars. And to be honest, I have other funds out there that is lying around on like Celsius or BlockFi, and to be honest, I am still waiting. Why? Because I'm a person that knows that if there's a promotion, I must put my funds in order to rack up my what I call it, the ROI. Basically, if I put in $1,000, they are giving me around $20 or $50 for free. Just by holding for 1 or 2 months, I would say that I'll gladly do it because it is all free money. And after that, how do you even grow your money? It's basically all the platform out there, they are offering like free money here and there. Why not just put in the funds, and after that, from there, lock up for a time period, and from there just generate the free money. And after that, once the free money is credited, just pull it out, and after that, put on whichever platform is giving the highest interest rate. So right now, Hodlanut is giving, I would say, amazing interest rate that is super high. And after that, put my funds there, I would say that it's much more secure than putting onto like DeFi, or let's say other platform that use your funds to trade or whatsoever. So over here, I would say, in my own opinion, yes, I would be putting more funds onto Hodlanut, and of course basically I'm gonna make like monthly or maybe updates from time to time on Hodlanut. And to be honest, if you guys are interested, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and of course turn on post notification. And basically we have come to the end of the video, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, kindly share it with your friends and family who own cryptocurrency, and basically if they're holding on to their cryptocurrency on their hardware wallet or hot wallet, basically the software wallet. If let's say you're holding it there, you will always look at the Ethereum, or let's say the stable coin out there. 1 equals 1, and after that 2 years later it's still 1. And to be honest, if I put it on Hodlanut or whatsoever, I might see 1.1, 1.2 in from time to time, if let's say. And of course, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, smash the like button and share with your friends and family, and of course, see you on the next video. Peace.